Hello guys, straight back to you. Sorry for a little dismiss, but today I'm as always going to share my solution. Today we have a little more complicated problem because to be honest, my last 6 or 5 problems which I solved were like acceptance rate about 80%, and I wasn't very satisfied with that fact. So now we're gonna deal with a little bit more hard problem. So only 45% of users could solve this problem. Okay, let's read our problem. Like, given a string s consisting of words and space, return the length of the last word in the string. A word is a maximum substring consisting of non-space characters only. So definitely what I'm going to do, I'm going while I'm going to loop in this string each time from the last character until I will get space. So to get it, first of all, I'm going to start count variable which will be equal 0 to run our for loop. Then I'm going to make our word. It will be a string which I will return as a result, and by the way we will add one by one characters. Then I'm going to start a variable called I will later explain why do we need it, and I will also as equals as dot strip to delete spaces because we will need it in some close future. Then I'm going to while cnt isn't equal length of s, so definitely just for loop, just while loop, for n in s dot minus e. So what is the e exactly? It is the like it is the value of it is the id of like id in array which we will get, but we use it minus value of it because we need to search array, we need to go through array from the past, from the last characters, so this is the reason why we use minus. And if n isn't equal to space, we are going to add one more character to one more letter to our word. So, and also we are going to add one to our I variable to just go through next elements. But leave n equals space, we are going to break our loop, and definitely each time we run we plus one more to our count variable, and finally we return length of our word. This is because what do we need to return? We need to return length of the last word. So definitely, as you can see, it accepted. Not that fast, but it's okay. So thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful for someone. Have a nice day. Bye bye.